All right, my friends, now we're going to do a little bit of writing together. So what we are going to do first thing, obviously, anytime we go to start writing, is we are going to write our first and our last name up at the top of this worksheet, which has a picture of a dog on it, okay? So I don't want to, okay, here we go. All right, I wrote my first and my last name. So we see some D's up at the top, and then we see a picture of a dog, and then right here we have the word dog, dog. So our directions say to color the picture, then write a sentence about the picture. So there's a lot of different sentences that we can write because we know we have a good amount of sight words right now. So think about dog and think about your sight words. And what do you think you could write about the dog? I think I want to write something that the dog can do. Maybe I want to write the dog can run really fast. Or the dog is soft. Or do you see the dog? That's all sight words. Do you see the dog? Maybe I want to write, I see the dog. I see the brown dog. I see the big dog. I can see the big dog. What about, do you see the big dog? I think I'm going to write that one because it also has our sight word for this week and it asked me a question. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to start all the way on this side of our paper with the word do. Now we know that I have to start my sentence with a capital letter. That's one of my big three, right? Starting your sentence with a capital letter. So I'm going to go capital D, O, do. Then I'm going to put my finger space. Do you, how do I spell you again? Y-O-U, you. Y-O-U, you. I'm gonna take my finger. I have to keep my finger spaces. That's the second of my big three. Has to start with a capital letter, has to have a finger space. So, finger space. Do you see? We know we spell C, S-E-E, see. Do you see the, T-H-E, the. Do you see the big dog? Now, look right here, guys. Do you think I can fit the words big and dog and my question mark in that little space right there? No. So we're going to stop right here and bring it to the next line, but we're going to continue on with the same sentence. So we're not starting a new sentence. We just don't have enough room, so we have to bring it down. So this is, do you see the big? Is big one of our sight words? No. So we're going to have to sound that one out. So big, b, b. What does big start with? B. Very good. B. I. What letter is that? I. B. I. G. 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 What letter is that? G. Very good. Do you see the big finger space dog? Now, if I didn't have dog right here, I could easily sound it out. D, all, g, right? But it's already right here for me. So I'm just going to find and copy this word dog. So D, O, G. Now, is this sentence finished? Not at all. What are we missing at the very end of this sentence? The end mark. It's not going to be a period because I'm asking you a question, but it's going to be a question mark. So we're going to go ahead and put our nice, pretty question mark. Do you see the big dog? This word do when it's the first word in the sentence, it's usually going to tell you, it's kind of like a ding, 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 light bulb should go off that the sentence is probably going to be a question, okay? Because do you like to run? Do you have any brothers and sisters? Do you love pizza like me? Do you like to sing and dance? Do you love the color red? Do you stay up past your bedtime sometimes? All of those questions start with the word do. So do is usually a hint that it's going to be a question, but of course you always look for that question mark as well. All right, so once you've written your sentence, go up and color that dog and make it a wild work picture for me. Good luck and keep practicing the do sentences, okay?